So guys, let's start with our first posture, which is Sukhasana, and I'm going to teach you step by step. So step 1 is take your left leg and hold your left ankle and keep it just below your right thigh. So this is going to be our step 1. Step 2 is take your right ankle and place it just below your left shin. So this is your left shin and your right ankle has to be just beneath it. So this is our step 2. Now our step 3 is to hold a mudra. Now which mudra is this? This is also known as the Janana mudra, which is also known as the OK pose in English. Now we have to place this mudra just on the tip of our thighs. Why do we hold this mudra? We hold this mudra to lock in the energy that flows in our body while we are sitting in a meditative posture. Now the fourth step is to keep your arms close to the sides of your body. So make sure that your arms are not going far away like this, because some people sit like this, which is not right. You have to keep it closer to your body. And the fifth thing and the most important thing is that your breath should not be very heavy. It should be very easy to breathe in this posture, and it should be light. So you don't have to breathe like. Just keep it as natural as you can, guys. So how are we going to do it? Let your natural flow guide your breath. So now the most important thing when we do this posture is that our sitting bones should be firm on our mat. So keep pressing them on the mat, and your torso should be straight. It should be elongated. Your spine should be straight. Okay, you don't have to dip down in the pose. You have to be straight. For that, what we will do is we will roll back our shoulders. So breathe in and roll back your shoulders. Breathe out. So now your spine is straight. Now one of the most important things that people ignore is that our head should be straight as well. It should not dip down. It should not look up. It has to be very neutral. Otherwise, you can develop neck pain as well. So make sure that your head is straight. For that, we can imagine that there is a rope here and something is pulling us upward. So we'll automatically become straighter. So see, even I was a little here, but if I imagine that a rope is pulling me upward, I'll become straighter in the posture. So this is what we have to imagine, and our imagination should continue to stay like that throughout the posture so that we don't dip into it. So now since you have learnt it, we will do one more time all the steps. Okay? So let's come back to our neutral positions. Now the first step was to keep our left ankle beneath the right thigh. The second step was to keep our right ankle beneath the left shin. The third step was to hold the Janana mudra and keep it on the tip of our thighs. The fourth step was to keep our arms closer, not far away. The most important thing that we had to remember is to stay straight and elongated in this position. Okay? So let's hold this position for some time, and we will close our eyes and we will hold this position. We will keep our breathing very normal, and it will be very common that, and initially it will be difficult for some of you guys to hold this posture for even 30 seconds, because this is a very difficult posture for some people who have just started their yoga journey or those who have tightened hips. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to start holding it for 30 seconds initially, and then as we become better in this posture, we are going to increase the duration of the time. Alright, so let's close our eyes and hold it for 30 seconds and keep our breathing natural and normal. So as we are doing this posture for 30 seconds, let us understand some of the benefits of this posture. This posture strengthens your ankles, makes the lower base of your spine stronger, elongates your spinal cord, and also ensures that your hip bones open up with practice and patience. So now, since we have practiced it for 30 seconds, I would like to show you a side angle of this posture for those who want to understand it better. So this is what it looks like from the side angle. If you can see, my face is straight, it is not down and up, it is completely neutral. Okay, my spine is elongated. So make sure your spine is not dipping down, because it tends to happen that after some time we tend to lift our knees up and dip down into the posture because our body gets tired. But we have to constantly stay up, roll our shoulders behind, and imagine the thread thing that I had explained. So this is what it looks like from the side angle. I hope you have got a better idea about this posture after this tutorial. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it and learned something out of it. The main purpose behind coming up with this tutorial was for me to be able to share my yoga knowledge and experience with you all. So I want you all to practice at home, and if you want my review on your ways of practicing, you can upload your videos on your social media handles and tag me. Also, you can email me your videos so that I can give my feedback on them. Please like, share and comment on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified about my upcoming videos. Also, stay active, stay healthy by practicing yoga daily. Namaste.